more erosion because more of the sediment is being carried out rather than on the other side.
So, as seen on the outside bend, the larger cobbles are being deposited while the smaller ones are being carried through. This is because there's a higher velocity on the outside bend, which is depositing the large cobbles here, but they are not being carried to the inside bend because the velocity is slower. But since the velocity is high enough to carry these small particles, they are still being carried through. Boom.
It's flowing. As you can see here, there's more erosion happening because of the shallow oh, right there. That falling part, that's the erosion happening. And so that just shows that the erosion rates are higher than over here, where it's just like not really breaking off, as you can see. Here there's an obvious depth. Here the depth is getting shorter. It's falling off. Here you can see it very clearly coming off of the structure itself and being carried by the water. Whereas in here, it's only the smaller sediments and there's really not as much activity. This is like stormy, grrr, and then this is like, okay, explain.
So as seen here, we can see the beginning of a formation of an oxbow as the water flow has started to go this way in comparison to the original flow where it went this way. And here it can be seen that this part has been entirely cut off as the stream used to go like this, but has now gone completely straight through. Woo! So, horizontal sorting can be observed as the sediments on the outside of the delta at the very beginning are much larger, and as you go out, the sediments progressively get smaller in size until you have very fine grains as seen here. So, in the center of this delta, we will have conglomerate and breccia, but as you go out, the finer sediments will form things such as sandstone and shale, like on the inside bend of the meander.
But on our delta, our sexy, sexy delta.
You can't call things sexy.
I can if I want to. 'Tis America.
All the water out, take your ruler, and just the delta, we're gonna scoop it up and put it in graduated cylinders.
Alright, so this...
I wasn't recording. I am now.
Should we have to use our ruler?
This is the volume of the delta.
Okay, look, you can get up. I got lots more graduated cylinders over in that drawer in the end. Wait, okay.
So we've got a lot of the delta in there.
Ooh, cat poo. Good, pretty good. Close.
A little bit. We got a little bit.
Okay. Go awfully slow there, Carrie. Bell's gonna ring.
Alright, just a little bit more.
Alright.
Alright,
What
that should be
is
good.
the value?
I don't know, I can't see. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I don't know what number this is. 87.
This is
Shoot!
the volume of the delta.
She didn't swear this time.
Huh?
At least she didn't swear this time.
We are on how many
100.
milliliters? That is 100 milliliters. Now another graduated cylinder so we can continue measuring the volume. So Janie.
Ah!
Ah.
We're almost done. Can I have this? Our delta kind of moved from here to here as the stream pad changed, so we have to account for like all of this.
This is such a large delta.
Please tell me you don't have a delta cane.
Oh yes, I just love deltas. So, no, that's weird.
That's weird. That's the weirdest thing you've said all day in this video. Alright, we might need another graduated cylinder.
Another one?
We have a lot.
By golly.
Although, I don't know. Is this all of this counting as our delta? Because really,
Just like
we should stop recording at this part because we're tampering with the evidence.
Fine. The bucket
gotta go
crisis. Go fast, go fast. Dump that bucket.
Ah, sorry.
Splash.
-6 grams, come on.
Bucket down.
Percentage? Yeah,
Crisis evaded.
anyway, from there,
Averted?
Averted.
Avoided. Averted.
Evaded.
Evaded. You got it? Okay. Oh!
Go, Maddie.
Oh,
No! Just go.
no. Okay.